What's up guys, coming at you with another Aerokinesis tutorial. Let's get right into it. This does count as a form of meditation, so I like to start out by relaxing, taking a couple deep breaths, and setting the intention on what I'm trying to do. When I first started practicing, it would take a lot of hand motions without a lot of actual wind coming through before I actually started getting results. So it's okay if you feel like you're kind of just waving your hand around and nothing's happening. Just keep doing that with the intention of knowing that it will, and you'll get results, I promise. I would say while you're doing this, try your best to take deep breaths, maybe even listen to music and do things to kind of get your mind in the zone, so to speak. Kind of put yourself in the flow state. It might not work immediately, but your imagination plus your intention will make this ability manifest into the 3D realm. So keep practicing and keep trying, even if you do not get results immediately. Some people will try to feel the energy sensations in their hand and see if they can correlate that to the wind or the fan or whatever object that you're trying to move. Another thing that helps is simply becoming aware of the air throughout your day and kind of just paying attention to how it interacts with different things as you go on throughout your day. Spending time outside and really connecting with the air and feeling it brush against your skin and watching it interact with the trees and the grass and anything really at all will help you build your connection to the air element. One of the easiest ways to know if it's actually your intentions that's moving an object is by starting on a day that there's actually no airflow whatsoever and trying to build up the environment or build up the airflow from there. Try your best to find different things to practice on. You can practice with the trees, with the plants, with the grass. You can do it with flags that are moving by, with leaves on the ground. There are a lot of different things you can practice your aerokinetic abilities on. If you want a more in-depth look at aerokinesis, feel free to check out my ebook. The link is in the bio. Hope you guys have a great one.